Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Underdog Lord, this is Underdog Reviews. And I watched Captain America from 1979. I thought that this Captain America was part of a TV show, but apparently not. But these are two movies, so we're gonna watch this weekend. Next weekend we're gonna watch Captain America from 1990, and then we're gonna start with the normal MCU, whatever. Yeah, what was the MCU at the beginning? Anyway, let's start. We see a beautiful landscape and a car driving a blue van. A guy driving a blue van, not a car. And that guy is Steve Rogers. We follow the blue van, a bit wet, driving near the sea. And we watch it from up top, like with a helicopter view forward. A bit later, he stops at Jerry's. I thought he stopped there for lunch, but no. Jerry's is a place where you can get lunch, but no, he didn't stop there for lunch, because he walked up to a guy, tapped him on the shoulder, and they talked a bit because they knew each other. The guy was first waxing his surfboard, so they're probably somewhere at the beach. So he asked if he got any mail, and he said yes. So he gave him a drawing, and then he went inside. After he got the drawing, he went inside. And Steve went to the bit to the side to watch the sea. Oh, this is so shitty review already. Then another guy comes up driving with his car, but he stands at the other side of the road watching Steve's blue van. And he also talked on the radio like a cop did, so I'm curious what it will be. So I'm gonna leave it at that. If you want to know what's gonna happen next, you have to watch the movie yourself. Captain America from 1979. This was the first half was rather meh, but second half was rather okay. So I give it a 3 out of 5. It was okay movie. I won't say yes, I would watch it definitely again, but tomorrow is the sequel, so I'll see you guys then. Also, his shield was partially see-through. It was pretty weird. But I'll see you guys tomorrow for the sequel, and later for Creep Show.